Today I will make the fusilli pasta. So for that they have provided us the ingredients. So every ingredient has its slot mentioned, which will go in these slots. So if you are not taking the ingredients from Nosh, so there is a menu that will also help you to understand which will go to which slots, like this. Also it mentions what is the quantity that is required for each of them. Okay, so let's prepare our slots for the ingredients. So this is how I have filled in all the ingredients in all the slots as per the instruction. Now I'll place this ingredient box inside Nosh. So far it's pretty easy to place it. You just have to push it a bit and then it is done. Now I will close. Here is the checks that I have to do is water 800 ml and oil 200 ml. So we have only 600 ml water and oil is enough. So let's fill it up a bit. It's very easy to fill up the water. Here you go. So you have to confirm these components. So spice tray, ingredients, pan, and oh, I am missing the stirrer. So let me attach that. So here is the starter. So yesterday I had made the pepper chicken, so that's why I had to clean it up, and this is how easy to fix it. It has started. It is adjusting its time. It has started. So the idea is when the machine is cooking, you can utilize the time for doing your own own work. We cook for another 5 minutes or so. So we have added time and it is again doing its job, so that the pasta is well cooked, and taste wise it was really great. And let's see how it comes out after 3 minutes. So finally it is ready and it's asking for checking again, and if you want you can again add time, otherwise we are good. So here is the feedback that I have to fill in. So let's first test it and then we can fill in the feedback. So once the machine cools down, you just have to pull it and keep it here so that you can wash it along with the pan. And thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.